Lou, you gonna go work on the trailer? Let's go. Take two, Saturday morning. We already came out here once and we forgot the keys again. See how many times that happens while we were working on this trailer. I also forgot the camera the first time. We'll see how many times that happens too. So once again, this is the current state of it. Today we're gonna try and tear out all the plywood and we'll see what we can do. Tear out all the plywood, all the trim, so that we can insulate in between these studs with 1-inch foam, maybe 3/4 inch.
I think we're gonna go with 3/4.
Probably gonna go with 3/4 inch. These are, actually, let me measure. I can hardly see it, but there one.
Yeah.
So we're working on getting all the trim out of this, and the closest thing we could find to the Torx bit that is in the trim around the RV style side door is a T15, which is just a hair too small. So we've resorted to a very small set of vice grips. Super tiny for a super long self-tapping Torx bit screw. These will not be going back in. So these are actually nails. They're not screws. They look like nails, but they have an Phillips head. It's really weird. So don't fool yourself into thinking that they're screws. They're most certainly not. They are nails. They just pry out. There's no threads. It's very deceiving.
3 more here.
We like that. That's it. That's it. It's all gone. All of it. The whole thing. It's really bad.